Are you wondering how to blur the background during a FaceTime call or enable portrait mode? Portrait mode helps keep focused on you by blurring the background, creating a professional look. Blurring video calls. This guide will walk you through the steps to enable portrait mode in a FaceTime video call on your iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Start a FaceTime call. Open the FaceTime app on your iPhone. Start a new call by selecting a contact or tapping New FaceTime and entering a contact's name or number. Once the call contacts, you will see yourself in the video call interface. You can see the F from your screen. Tap this one. This feature is available on screen after the iOS 18 update. If you are using old iOS, then you need to enable this from your video effect. By following these steps, you can easily turn on portrait mode during a FaceTime call and blur the background for a more focused professional look. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.